Hello everybody, I am Pandit Jamil and today we are going to discuss 15 important MCQs of our topic History of Jammu and Kashmir. So let's start. Our first question is famous archaeological site of Simthon which provides evidences with regard to Neolithic, Indo-Greeks and Kushan periods is located in option A. Bijbehara, B. Pulwama, C. Srinagar and D. Hirvan. Correct answer is option A. Bijbehara. Simthon is located in Bijbehara in Anantnag district. This site provides a cultural sequence of Neolithic, Indo-Greeks and Kushana periods in Kashmir. After Mauryas, Kashmir came under the rule of Indo-Greeks. And after Indo-Greeks, Kashmir came under the rule of Kushanas. Our next question is, in order to propagate Buddhism, Ashoka sent various monks to different parts of his empire. Which famous Buddhist monk was sent to Kashmir? Option A. Majjhima, B. Mejantika, C. Meharekta and D. Mahindra. Correct answer is option B. Mejantika. This monk was sent to Kashmir for the propagation of Buddhism by famous Mauryan ruler Ashoka. Our next question is, fourth Buddhist conference was held by Kushan ruler Kanishka at which place in Kashmir? Option A. Burzohama, B. Simthon, C. Kundalwan, D. Kupwara. Correct answer is option C. Kundalwan. This place is located in Srinagar. And it was during this conference that Buddhism got divided into two sects, Mahayanas and Hinayanas. And Kanishka was the follower of Mahayana sect. Our next question is, who was the last ruler of Kushan Empire in Kashmir? Option A. Manindra, B. Vasudeva, C. Kujala Kadphis and D. Huvushka. Correct answer is option B. Vasudeva. Vasudeva was last ruler of Kushan Empire in Kashmir, and Kujala Kadphis was founder of Kushan rule in northwestern parts of India, and Manindra was most important Indo-Greek ruler in Kashmir, and Huvushka was the Kushan ruler and laid the foundation of famous Huvushkapura, now known as Ushkur, in Baramulla district. Our next question is, Meharkula belongs to which ruling dynasty of Kashmir? Option A. Indo-Greeks, B. Kushanas, C. Sakas and D. Hunnas. Correct answer is option D. Hunnas. He was the founder of Hunna rule in Kashmir in 525 AD. Our next question is, who laid the foundation of a new city called Parvarsenapura northwest of the old capital of Ashoka's Purandistan? Option A. Parvarsena II, B. Narendra Ditya, C. Rana Ditya and D. Baladitya. Correct answer is option A. Parvarsena II. He laid the foundation of Parvarsenapura, present Srinagar city, and Ashoka laid the foundation of Purandistan, now known as Pandrithan, located near Srinagar. Our next question is, famous Buddhist monk Huyun Seng visited Kashmir Valley in 7th century AD during the period of which Karkota ruler? Option A. Lalita Ditya, B. Pratapaditya, C. Durlabh and D. Chandrapida. Correct answer is option C. Durlabh. Huyun Seng visited during the time period of Durlabh. Durlabh was also the founder of Karkota rule in Kashmir in 625 AD, and Pratapaditya was second ruler of Karkota dynasty, and he was son of Durlabh. Our next question is, which ruler is credited with the building of temple named Jayasthwara, also called as Shankaracharya temple on Gopadari Hills? Option A. Baka, B. Gopaditya, C. Narendra Ditya, D. Yashodhara first. Correct answer is option B. Gopaditya. He laid the foundation of Jayashtavara temple, also called as Shankaracharya temple, located in Srinagar. Our next question is, which Karkota ruler is said to have founded new town of Pratapura, presently known as Tapar, in Baramulla? Option A, Dullabvardhana, B, Pratapaditya, C, Pratapaditya II, and D, Chandrapida. Correct answer is option C, Pratapaditya II. He laid the foundation of Pratapur in Tapar. And Lalitaditya laid the foundation of his capital, Parihaspura, also in Baramulla district. Baramulla. Our next question is, Kingdom of Kashmir became the most powerful empire in India under the rule of which Karkota ruler? Option A, Dullabvardhana, B, Pratapaditya, C, Tarapida, and D, Lalitaditya. Correct answer is option D, Lalitaditya. Lalitaditya attacked Kannauj, Bihar, West Bengal, Orissa, and on his way back to Kashmir he also attacked Gujarat, Malwa, and many other parts of India. That is why he is known as Samudragupta of Kashmir. Lalitaditya ruled from 724 to 761 AD. Our next question is, which Muslim ruler of medieval Kashmir has been termed as the Lalitaditya of medieval Kashmir? Option A, Sultan Shahmir, B, Sultan Alauddin, C, Sultan Shihabuddin, and D, Qutbuddin. Correct answer is option C, Sultan Shihabuddin. He is also termed as Lalitaditya of medieval Kashmir because of his conquests. Next question is, famous battle between Shihabuddin and Delhi Sultan Firoz Tughlaq was fought on the banks of which river in India? Option A, Chenab, B, Ravi, C, Satluj, and D, Beas. Correct answer is option C, Satluj. This battle was fought on the banks of Satluj river, and there was a matrimonial alliance between Shihabuddin and Firoz Tughlaq. Our next question is, famous Sufi saint Sayyid Ali Hamdani paid his second visit to Kashmir Valley in 1379 during the period of which Muslim ruler? Option A, Zainul Abidin, B, Shihabuddin, C, Qutbuddin, and D, Alauddin. Correct answer is option C, Qutbuddin. He visited during the time period of Qutbuddin. Sayyid Ali Hamdani is also known as Shah Hamdan in Kashmir Valley. Our next question is, Mir Muhammad Hamdani, son of Sayyid Ali Hamdani, visited Kashmir Valley with his 300 Sayyids in 1393 during the reign of which Muslim ruler? Option A, Sultan Qutbuddin, B, Sultan Sikandar, C, Sultan Zainul Abidin, and D, Sultan Alauddin. Correct answer is Sultan Sikandar. Mir Muhammad Hamdani visited during the time period of Sultan Sikandar. Sikandar was son of Sultan Qutbuddin, and Sayyid Ali Hamdani visited during the time period of Sultan Qutbuddin. Next question is, famous Jama Masjid in Srinagar was constructed by which Sultan of Kashmir? Option A, Sultan Sikandar, B, Sultan Qutbuddin, C, Sultan Zainul Abidin, and D, Ali Shah. Correct answer is option A, Sultan Sikandar. He laid the foundation of Jama Masjid in Srinagar. He also constructed the Khanqah Maula in Srinagar, and Khanqah Maula is located on the banks of Jhelum river. This question is, in which year Quiet Kashmir movement was launched by Jammu and Kashmir National Conference? Answer of this question, guys, you have to write in comment section. Your options are 1942, 1944, 1946, and 1947. So guys, if you like this video, then please share and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thank you.